Hey, how are you? Sorry, I can't get rid of these hiccups. Can I have a Bud Light, please? All right, here's your Bud Light, and here. This will get rid of your hiccups. I've never seen it not work, so drink this like you're taking a shot, okay? I'll try anything at this point. What is it? It's just a shot of sour mix. Oh, really? Oh, I hate sour mix. Oh, well. We'll see if that worked. Thank you. Y'all still doing okay over here? Hey, did your hiccups go away? Yeah, I guess it did work. I never knew that.